Hello friends, let us continue. So reproduction and modern technology. Now many times some couples have problems having children. Now the reasons can be different. For example, if there is irregularity in the menstrual cycle, if the menstrual cycle is not happening properly, if there is difficulty in oocyte formation, okay, and if oviduct is not working properly, or if the embryo is formed, it is not implanting in the uterus, that walls of uterus, it is not joining there. So all these reasons are there which are responsible. Again, there are some reasons like sperms are less, and the movement of sperms is less, or anomalies in the sperms. All these problems are there of males. So because of that, advanced techniques are there. One of the technique is IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. Then surrogacy, sperm banks, they can have children. So the childless couples, they take help of these modern techniques. You can see the picture, observe the picture. There is a micropipette, ovum, and then through needle the sperms are introduced. Now you know this happens inside the uterus or inside the female reproductive organ, but you can do it outside the body also in the test tube, and this is called test tube baby. So in this technique, fertilization is brought about in test tube, and the embryo that is taken from outside the uterus of woman, and the embryo is implanted inside the uterus at an appropriate time. Okay, at a particular time, embryo is implanted, and that embryo grows into a child. So IVF technique can be used by having the children in case of childless couples who have problems like sperm count or obstacles in ovary. That means there is some problem with the male and with the female. Then they can have this test tube baby. So first of all, what you do, you take the female ovum and the male sperms, and then you unite them outside the body in a test tube. And when the embryo grows, you put it back in the mother's womb, okay, in the uterus, and it grows inside. Now you cannot grow the entire baby outside the body. Surrogacy now. Some women have problem that they cannot have children. There is some problem with their system, and then another woman can become the mother. Okay, she is just carrying the baby, but biologically it is not her child. So what they do, they take the male and female gamete from the mother and father, and they do the same IVF. And when the embryo grows, they put it in the third woman's, okay, another woman's uterus. So she is not the biological mother. Her genes are not there in the baby, but she is just carrying the baby, okay, in her womb for 9 months. So some women have problems of implantations of embryo in uterus. So such women can take help of surrogacy. So in this technique, oocyte is collected, and then women having problem in implantation in the uterus, the oocyte is fertilized in test tube, and the sperms are collected from the husband. The embryo formed is fertilized implant in the uterus of other woman, and this is called as surrogate mother. Now there are men who have problem with the number of sperms. There is problem with their semen. So semen bank or sperm bank is introduced, where semen is ejaculated by the desired man and collected after physical and medical checkup, and they are stored. So if there are some couples who require the sperms, they are given, and then IVF is done, in vitro fertilization, and when the embryo grows, it is implanted in the woman uterus. Okay, so this is the name of the semen donor is kept strictly as a secret. Now you can see the picture here, twins. So what are twins? So earlier stage of development, what happens, that the embryo grows, sometimes two embryos are formed and then twins are formed. So monozygotic twins are formed from a single embryo. So single embryo is there, it divides into two parts, and that happens during the early period of development from 8 days to zygote of the zygote formation. They divide into two groups, and two separate individuals are formed. Now these individuals are 100% like each other because their genetic nature is the same. Okay, genetic nature is the same. So here you can see the picture of twin girls. तर एक एम्ब्रियो जो आहे त्या एक एम्ब्रियोचे दोन पार्ट्स होतात, आणि त्याच्यावर काय मोनोझायगोटिक ट्विन्स तयार होतात. So those group, they develop at separate embryos. They are genetically exactly similar. They look like each other, their genes are same. If both, if boys are born, both are boys or both are girls, it's like this. Now, in case of monozygotic twins, if the embryo cells are divided into two groups, 8 days after zygote formation, there is high possibility of formation of conjoint twins, that is also called as Siamese twins. So, such twins are born with some parts of their body joined to each other. Okay, some organs are also common. Occasionally, two oocytes are formed from the ovary of woman, and both oocytes are fertilized by two separate sperms, and the zygote is formed. Two embryos are formed from those zygotes, and both of these embryos separately implant to the uterus, and dizygotic twins are formed. So, such twins are genetically different and may be same of different by gender. सो डायझायगोटिक ट्विन दोन वेगवेगळे ओव्हमपासून तयार झालेले, दोन वेगवेगळे, म्हणजे दोन, एक बॉय एक गर्ल असं असू शकतं. ओके, सो दे डोंट लुक एक्झॅक्टली लाईक इच अदर, सो रिमेंबर दिस. Then reproductive health. Now what is health? Physical well-being, mental well-being, social well-being, that is health. So here it is given the definition: physical, mental, social strongness, how strong you are, that is called as health. So in our country people are not aware of reproductive health, especially because of some social traditions. We don't talk about this. Traditions are there, illiteracy is there, shyness is there. So that's why there is a lot of problem towards the reproductive health of women. Now, occurrence of menstrual cycle is a natural process. It happens every month, and because of that bleeding also occurs. So private organs should be maintained clean from time to time, otherwise infection and many health problems may arise. And this can happen in men too. So cleanliness of genitals is very important. The male and female reproductive part, the outer parts that are there in the body, that should be clean. Otherwise there are many things, many diseases can be caused. So diseases like syphilis, gonorrhea occur, and this is occurring because of bacteria. So occurrence of patches on the body, rash, fever, inflammation, okay, all these are nothing but the symptoms. There can be painful or burning sensation during urination. Pus can form, okay, through the penis and vagina, and inflammation of urinary tract and anus can happen. So all these are symptoms of gonorrhea. Now a population explosion, here they have given the statistics. You can see 2011 the number of people are increasing, and India is number 2 after China. So family the family planning should be done, and many problems arise because of growing population, like unemployment, decreasing of per capita income, and increasing of loans, etc. And there is only one solution for all these problems: family planning. That is what is essential. Okay, the chapter is finished. Thank you.